Okay, so I'm doing my stair stringers here, and we're determining the height of those. Now, in order to do that, just set a straight edge up on your deck and measure down where the stairs are going. So in this case, that's 54 1/4. So 54 1/4 is 54.25 divided by, I'm going to guess that's, so 54.25 divided by, let's go 6 steps. Okay, that gives us a rise of 9.4 inches. It's a little bit too much. Let's try 7. 54.25 divided by 7 steps equals 7.75. So that's 7 3/4. That's a pretty standard, comfortable, easy tread height that we can work with. So 7.75 is our rise, and our run is going to be 10 inches. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that now in just a second.